Welcome back to the Lone Ranger Radio Show. Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. Thanks for joining me this weekend. I really appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying the outdoors, getting some things done. I know I got some honeydew list of my own to do today. And then hopefully I'm going to be able to head over to the boat for the rest of the weekend. But I wanted to cover a few things that I think are really interesting and unique with what we do to help our clients when it comes to purchasing homes, refinancing homes, building homes. So, this time of year is your all-time favorite time of the year, tax season. Isn't that wonderful? Would anybody ever say, yeah, this is my favorite time of year? Yes, a CPA, although it's a tough time of year for them, but that's when they're making all their money. But let's get serious about this. Let's just say I'm speaking to you right now because you're self-employed, you got good credit, you got some money in the bank. The thing is you have a creative CPA. You know what that means to me? You write everything off as an expense. I know you do. So you make a bunch of money, you just write it all off so you don't pay any taxes. You know what? Unfortunately, that isn't going to work for you when it comes to any type of traditional financing, conventional, FHA, or VA. If you don't show the money on your tax returns when you're self-employed, there is no mortgage for you. Well, there is with the Loan Arranger. I've got an amazing self-employed program. All I need is your last 12 months bank statements. I'm going to take those bank statements and I'm going to add up all the deposits. And then I'm going to use 50% of those deposits as income. So if you got 40 grand a month coming into your business, in your business account, I'll give you 20 grand a month in income. Put down 20%, 25% down. You don't have to pay any PMI. You're going to get a great rate. Now, those type of programs can come with or without a prepayment penalty. If that prepayment penalty is 3 years, you can get the same type of interest rate you'd get on any type of conventional financing. Very, very close, very attractive. So if that's something that you're seeking and you want help and you're self-employed, your bank's not going to do it, but the Loan Arranger will. Call me now in the Tampa Bay area, 813-213-4009. Again, that's 813-213-4009. Or go to WeBringYouHome.com and get your application started at WeBringYouHome.com. Super simple, super easy. Super easy. If you're in Orlando, you can call me now at 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313 or WeBringYouHome.com. Let's get started. Then let's just say you want to buy investment properties, but you're in the same situation. You don't show the income. I got a program. The only income that I use is the income that the rent brings in on the property you're purchasing. Now, these are only done on investment properties. They're not owner occupied. They're called a DSCR, a debt service coverage ratio loan. That means I'm using the debt against the income on the property. Super simple. Again, amazing interest rates. Look at, you don't want to show the government you're making any money. You don't want to pay those high taxes. I got the programs for you. I had a client here recently. He called me and he wanted a conventional loan, which everybody does. And I looked at the tax returns and I'm like, dude, you only made like 90 grand and you're trying to buy an $800,000 house and your 90 grand wouldn't cover it with the debts that he had. And so I looked at it and I went, but you'll qualify for my bank statement program. No problem. So I ran the bank statement program and we had determined that he was saving about $300,000 per year. Well, he was making $300,000 a year more than what he was claiming. So he's making 450, somewhere around that. He's claiming about 90. He saved over $100,000 in taxes by writing all that off. So he said, how much extra am I paying in interest on your bank statement loan versus a traditional mortgage? I said, $6,500. He goes, so I'm It's costing me $6,500 more in a mortgage, but I'm saving $125,000 in taxes. Yep, that's right. It says, well, that's a no-brainer. I'm like, no kidding. It's a no-brainer. So you self-employed people, I don't care what you write off. Your bank does. I don't. You call the loan arranger. Tampa Bay, 813-213-4009. Orlando, 407-706-3313. It's 407-706-3313. Or go to WeBringYouHome.com. Get your application started. You want a personal meeting with me? We can have a personal meeting. You want to do a Zoom meeting? You want to do a conference? You want to meet in person? Come on into my office. I got everything you need. Conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, construction perms, renovation loans, asset depletion loans, construction perm, down payment assistance, self-employed, mobile home loans, great mobile home loans, reverse mortgages, home equity line of credit, reverse home equity line of credit, if you've ever heard of it, refinance, cash out refinance, debt consolidation refinance. I mean, I could go on and on and on. And I will help you get the best mortgage for your needs. And then I'll show you how to become debt-free. If you want to be an investor in real estate, I will be doing an investor class in April. I think it's April 18th in Tampa. Go to WeBringYouHome.com, check out my page or call me and I'll get you the exact date and time of my investor. It's my Leapfrog program. I developed a program a number of years ago because I wanted to buy investment properties. I just didn't have 20% to put down on all of them. And so I had to find another way to do it. So I did. And I coined it my Leapfrog program. I can show you how I could get you up to 5 properties, all free and clear in 20 years. You retire, you got rental income coming in at $25,000 to $30,000 a month in rental income. Does that interest you? Is that enough money for you? You know, add your pension or your Social Security onto that. If you can't live on that, I can't help you, but I can show you how to do it. And by the way, my classes, they're not sales pitches. They're me showing you how to do it. That's what I do. I'm going to show you how to make more out of life, get more out of it. I've taken people that would never get rich based on their salaries, but I can show you how to create millions of dollars in wealth following a basic principle that I developed. And you don't have to pay $2,500 to get in my class. I think it's $25 per head, $30 per couple. And I've given you food and drinks while you sit there and take notes. But don't come to my class if you're not going to take action. This is an action class. Like I said, it's not a sales pitch. I don't have anything to sell you. I'm not selling you some internet program or how to buy houses with no money down and pay me $2,500 for my booklet. It's not what it is. This is the real deal on how you can accumulate wealth the way I did. And I'm going to break it down. I'll show you the mistakes I made, the successes I've had. I'll tell you how to properly buy property, how to negotiate them, how to get the most out of it, how to choose the right tenants. I'll give you everything you need to know in my class. I believe it's April 18th. I don't have my calendar in front of me. I apologize. But if you call or text 813-213-4009 or 407-706-3313, I will get you fixed up. Go to WeBringYouHome.com. I should have it up and running on my website by now. If not, I'll get Jeanette to put it up there for me. All right. You can check out this show anytime on my YouTube page, Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger. I've got every program. I lend in all 50 states. You want a real estate agent? Listen to this, real estate agents. I have a real estate referral program. My clients call me. I connect them with the real estate agent that I've vetted and I've done business with. I know how you work. I know if you're a good negotiator. I know if you're a great real estate agent. Like my friend Brandon Rhymes, Chris Gabbard, Lisa Riley, all kinds of people in the Tampa Bay area, Cleve Loveland, Tom McNamara, Amy Kidwell, one of the top producers in Florida. I refer. Now listen, those agents will give you up to 25% of their commission back to use towards closing costs just because of my referral. They do not pay me for the referral, not one penny, not one red cent. I do it so I can get money in your pocket. so I can give you a better situation. I can give you a better deal. I can give you a better real estate agent. Most of you are not choosing very good real estate agents. Believe me. Believe me. I got a client right now is using somebody that she insisted on using it. She lost 3 properties and she's getting ready to lose the fourth one. I'm telling you, you guys aren't choosing the right people. You don't know how to negotiate. You know, I don't blame you. You're choosing people you like, but that doesn't mean it's the right one. That's like a doctor. I just had surgery last Monday. I thought the doctor was a bit of a dick. Okay. But you know what? He was really good. So I wanted to use him. I don't want to hook you up with somebody that's not nice. I want to hook you up with somebody that's going to do the job, though, and negotiate the right deal for you. That's what you deserve. That's what you should get. You just don't know how to pick them. I do, because I work with these people all the time. So if you want to look at my real estate referral program, you call me and let me know. Heidi just got a great real estate agent today. She'd been looking. She'd tried a few people. Didn't work out. I connected her with Sandra Lugo with La Rosa Realty. She wrote an offer same day, and she's getting Osceola County down payment assistance. 60 grand in down payment assistance. I mean, come on. Isn't that what you guys are looking for? Don't you want somebody that's truly an advocate? Hey, listen, put me to the test. If I don't meet your expectations, fire me on the spot. I'm not a professional radio show talk show host, as you can tell. I'm a professional lender that takes great care of his clients. I'm a direct lender. I'm in all 50 states. I can help you anywhere in the country. Buy, refinance, whatever you need. Construction loans, new construction, renovation loans, whatever you need, I got it right here. Look me up. Check out the Google reviews. Check out Yelp reviews. Check out Zillow reviews. Look me up. The Loan Arranger, CrossCountry Mortgage, Bruce Woodburn. If you aren't satisfied with my reviews, I'm not the right fit for you. But I can tell you something. I'll give you all the references you need. Over 35 years, tens of thousands of people I've helped. And I'd love to help you and your family. I want you to be able to trust that you refer your family members, your children to me. Speaking of kids or grandkids, are you planning on leaving your kids some money one day when you pass on to see the Lord? Well, if you are, I'm going to tell you right now, most of them will blow the money. They're going to buy a Boston Whaler, an F-150, a jet ski, a side-by-side, a dirt bike. They're going to piss it away on all kinds of garbage. Don't do that. Tell you what I did. I set up a trust for my kids, and my money has to go into real estate because it's secure. They can't spend it. Otherwise, they're going to spend your money. You want to give a gift of equity? You got a property? I'll show you how to do a gift of equity. I'll show you how to give your family members a gift and securitize so they're not pissing away your hard-earned money. My name's Bruce Woodburn, and I'm the Loan Arranger, and I will help you. I will guide you in the right direction. I'll help your kids. I'll help your grandkids. I'll help your coworkers. If you're an employer and you have employees that work for you, you should have me come in and do my employee benefit program where I help your employees become homeowners. Did you know, as a self-employed person, that if your employee is a homeowner versus a renter, they'll stay with you 4 times longer? Look it up. You can see it on the Department of Labor and Statistics. Let me come in, teach your people how to own homes, and you'll get the benefit. I created a program called the Employee Benefit Program for real estate, and it's just like an HMO. It's just like a dental plan. You pass it on to your employees, and they become homeowners, and they love you for it, and they stay with you longer. It reduces recruiting costs, training costs, everything. My name's Bruce Woodburn. Call me now, 813-213-4009 or 407-706-3313, or go to visit my website and start your application there at webringyouhome.com. That's webringyouhome.com. God bless each and every one of you. Thanks for spending time with me today. I'm privileged to have you as friends, listeners, loyal clients. I am a blessed man, and I'm here always at your convenience to help you. Have a great weekend. God bless each and every one of you. Thanks for tuning in.